Good morning, boys. We will continue the exercise number 2.7. See the last class, the question number 1. Everything we did, but only thing finally we left one steps. So I just recall that again the sum number 1, and you find out, you just rectify the mistakes, because I left only one factor, because of that I got wrong answers. So we will see the same one and you check, because this normally most of the boys are making the mistakes in the same manner. That's what I did. Clear? When the correction is going on, everything will be correct except they will miss one factor that leads to the reduction of the mark in the examination center when somebody valued your paper. So that's what I did first sum accordance with what mistake most of the boys will do. Clear? Unconsciously they will do the mistakes. So now we will see that as usual, no constants along with x square, 1 by 16 you have to take outside. So dx by 9 by 16 minus x square, this can be replaced by dx by, this is 3 by 4 the whole square minus x square. See this, after that when you apply the formula, I missed 1 by 16. This consciously some of the boys they will think that they are using the 1 by 16 as it is. So to avoid, you be very careful. That's what I did the previous class without using 1 by 16 the final answers. Clear? Just for your indication I did. So you have to rectify it. So what will be that answer? 1 by 16 into the formula is a square minus x square. What is the formula for a square minus x square? Refer the page number. A square minus x square, a square dx by a square, formula number 1, that is 1 by 2. What is your a? 3 by 4. Some of the boys they will write 9 by 16. So those mistakes should be avoided. So a is replaced by 3 by 4. Then log modulus of a plus, that is 3 by 4 plus x by 3 by 4 minus x plus c. Clear? So this will read already. Only thing I just missed 1 by 16. This 1 by 16. Because most of you are making mistakes. That's what I did deliberately without using 1 by 16. Now I am using just I like to bring down to you, to notice to you that how the boys will make mistakes during the exam time. That's what. Clear? So don't feel that sir they don't know how to proceed the problems. Deliberately I left 1 by 16 because during the when evaluation center I noticed so many boys are everything is correct. They missed what they took outside of the integrations. They missed this 1 by 16. They got wrong answer. That's what I did without 1 by 16 in the previous class. Now I am teaching you with 1 by 16. This is only correct answer. The previous one is wrong answer. So just you have to compare those two and be careful of doing this exercise. In exercise 2.7, most of the problems will have some factor outside of the integrand by taking common factor. Clear? So be careful. Final answer should be carried out with 1 by 16 or whatever number is there out of the outside of the integrations. So be careful. Now we can cancel these two. Then what will be the answer? 1 by 16 into denominator goes to the numerator by 3. This will be 2. 2 by 3 log of, as usual you know this is 4 plus x, this is 3 minus x. Now we can cancel 8. So we will get 1 by 24 log 3 plus 4x by 3 minus 4x plus c. Clear? So Once I missed 1 by 16, I got different answer, the previous one. So rectify it and do it. Clear? Now we will go through, you will see now sum number 2. I think I missed it. Even the sum number 3, instead of 2x square, I take 3. Clear? So you have to do the third sum with 2, but I did with 3, but you have to do with number 2. Now sum number 2, integration dx by 9 minus 8x minus x square. So this is, you cannot separate with respect to the denominator, and you cannot apply that substitution method or logarithmic method. So what is one more method? Partial fractions. So to apply the partial fraction, first you have to rewrite in standard form of quadratic format, that is 9 minus 8x minus x square. You take minus outside, you will get the x square, minus will become plus, this minus also will become plus, this will become minus, plus will become minus. So I told you already that you go for partial fraction method or the formula method. Clear? Even if you follow the partial fraction also, you will get answer, because it is easily to factorizable one. 9 1 is 9, plus and minus, you will get 9 minus 1 8, plus 8, plus into minus minus, 9 1 is 9. So you can follow even the partial fractions also, you will get same answer. Clear? Now I am using this problem by use formula. You don't go for partial fraction method, you can use even the partial fraction method also, nothing wrong, we will get same answer. So I am using now by using the formula method, because I have formulas and I left your choice whether you have to follow partial fraction method or what we are going to do this method, formula method. So minus, to apply the formula method, you must know that technique which is called completing the square method, which we studied in 10th standard. What is meant by completing the square method? You should bring down the given quadratic format into a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square format. That is called completing the square method. So what is the procedure to make that given expression into completing the square method? You always divide the coefficient of x by 2, whatever the number is there, whether the coefficient of x is divisible by 2 or not doesn't matter, but you always divide the coefficient of x by 2. So minus x square plus 8x, this 2 I for you understanding purpose I did by 2. Clear? So don't divide these two and don't write 4x. Clear? So now if you divide these two, 8 by 2, what will be the answer? 4. 4 square, add and subtract. Add and subtract is equal to minus of x square plus 8x plus 4 square minus 4 square minus 9, which leaves you minus 25, minus of, this will become a plus b the whole square, you take now minus inside, x plus 4, that is minus into minus plus 25 minus x plus 4 the whole square. Clear? You divide the coefficient of x by 2, I got quotient 4, add and subtract, square the number, add and subtract. Already we have minus 9, just write as it is. Then this will become a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, which will give you a plus b the whole square. Don't write 16, 4 square is 16, don't write x plus 16. Clear? Minus 16 minus 9, which will give you minus 25. So we have already negative outside of the bracket. When you take inside, this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus. Don't take minus inside the bracket. Clear? That is not allowed. If you take minus inside the bracket, only after expansion by using a plus b the whole square formula, you will get same answer. So there is no use of taking minus inside the bracket. Clear? Now this is in the form of a square minus x square. So you have to apply the relevant formula for a square minus x square. So, what is the formula for a square minus x square? Again you have to refer the formula, page number 59, formula number 1, a square minus x square. What is the a square minus x square formula? 1 by, I am writing the formula, then you can substitute log of, what is that? A plus x, a minus x plus c. Clear? So, 1 by 2 into 25 log 25, in the place of x you have to write x plus 4, 25 minus of x plus 4. So, normally we have temptation to write down like this, but if you write, your answer will be wrong. So, where is the mistake? A square is 25, which means what is your A? A square is 25, therefore A is 5. So, if you replace in the place of A straight away 25, these simple mistakes most of the boys will do. Clear? That is what I did the wrong since I like to indicate that what are the mistakes that you are going to do during the exam times. So, do not do like this. Here it is 2a, not a square. Therefore, a square is 25. Therefore, a is equal to how much? 5. So, if you are not able to write properly, after this you have to write what is a and what is x. That is better to avoid these type of mistakes during the exam time. Just you have to write what is a and what is x. So, now you can replace in the place of a by what? 5. You will get answer. Clear? So, do not do these mistakes. So, 1 by 2 into 5 log a is 5, 5 plus x plus 4. Here 5 minus of x plus 4 modulus. So, it is 1 by 10 log 9 plus x. When you take minus inside the bracket, 5 minus 4, 1, 1 minus x. Clear? So, be careful of using the minus sign when you take any number outside of the integrand. Be careful, do not repeat the mistakes like that. Clear? Now, we will go to sum number 3. I did with 3x square, but what is given in the question? 2x square. So, you can use the same concept. I think I gave some problems of homework. I do not know how many of you did. Then we will go to sum number up to 10 I gave us homework. Now we will go to sum number 11. Sum number 11. Boys, be careful in this exercise. So, take the value a, x and the negative signs are so important. Sum number 11, integration x cube dx over square root of x power 8 minus 1. Now you see, again you have to think little. See, if you differentiate, if I am taking this t is equal to, what is normal procedure? Sir, you said no sir, if it is fraction format, either it will be in logarithmic format or substitution method, that is nothing but t method. So, if I am, I suggest you to take always t inside the square root, inside the bracket, inside the ratio and inside the inverse function, inside the logarithmic function, inside the exponential function. So, in that concept, if I am taking t is equal to x power 8 minus 1, dt is equal to 8x power 7 minus 0. The constant will be 0. So, no need to write 0. So, straight away write x dx. But this is not there. So, my consideration is wrong. So, how to proceed? Then have to think little. I need x power x. So, I am given x power 8. I make slight adjustment by using the concept a power n whole to the power n, algebraic expression, that is a power mn, this property. I am using this property for x power 8 because I need x power 3. So how will you get x power 3? When the power of x is 4, when I am differentiating the variable x which has power of 4, then I get x power 3. For example, if I am taking x power 4, I need x power 3 after differentiate. I need x power 3 after differentiating the variable x. So what is the suitable power for x to get x power 3 after differentiate? That is x power 4 only possibility. If I am differentiating this x power 4, I got 4 x power 3 into dx. See, I got. Therefore, so to depends upon the numerator, you have to consider that you have to rewrite the given factors x power 4. You have to write in terms of x power 4 and to get x cube into dx. Boys, I need x power 3. How do you get x power 3? After differentiating x power 4 only I got x power 3. Doesn't matter about the constant, but there is no x power 4. Therefore, I am given only x power 8. So I have to I forced to rewrite x power 8 in order to get x power 3 into dx. How it is possible? Come to this property. I can rewrite x power 8 as x power 4 the whole square. Possible, not possible, because 4 2s are 8 based on this concept. Now you differentiate this one, 4x cube is there, isn't it? See, in order to get x power dx, you have to express x power 8 by using these basic properties in algebra, that is x power 4 the whole square. If you write x square the whole to the power 4, then you never get x cube. If you write like this, then if you differentiate x square, what will be the answer? 2x into dx, but I need x cube. So you don't write like this, you have to write always 4 inside the bracket, then square will be outside. Clear, not clear? So x power 4 the whole square. If you consider that, now I am rewriting this integration dx, that is x cube into dx over square root of this. I can write x power 4 the whole square minus 1. X cube dx over x power 4 the whole square minus 1 square root. Clear? I am rewriting x power 8 because this constant. This is wrong. So you cannot get, if you take directly t is equal to x power 8 minus 1, you are not able to get the remaining part of the question. Therefore, our consideration is not suitable for this problem, not for other problem. For this problem, by taking the substitution method, which is inside the square root or inside the bracket, is not suitable for this question. So you have to arrange x power 8 minus 1 in order to get x power 3 into dx. So this is the process. Clear? This is just for your understanding purpose I did. This is not necessary. You have to start from here onwards. Clear? Now you go for t. T is equal to x power 4. As usual, you have to take t as inside the bracket. So now differentiate dt is equal to 4x cube into dx. I need only x cube dx, so I don't want 4. Bring it to that left side as a divisor. Just you have to replace everything. Now your new integration becomes dt 1 by 4 will be taken outside. Be careful. By what is that? This will become t square minus 1. This is in the form of a square minus x square minus a square. 1 square is nothing but 1 only. So you can write 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1. So you have to write 1 square in the place of 1. You have to write as 1 square, because 1 square is 1. There won't be any different answer when you square the number 1. Now this is in the form of x square minus a square. Don't think that formula is given only in x term. So you can apply only when the variable in x, not necessary. You are integrating with respect to which variable? T variable. Therefore, in the formula it is given integration with respect to x. Here it is given with respect to dt. So, the variable t. So, don't think that we have different formula. Depends upon the integrate the variable, you have to change whether x into t or y z, whatever it is. Now you can take x square minus a square formula. What is x square minus a square formula? With inside the square root, take again the page number 59. Where is that formula? Square root of a x square minus a square. Formula number 3. Formula number 3, that is square root of x square minus a square. Formula number 3, what is given? Log. I write only the formula log modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. This is the formula. Square root of x square plus minus a square. X plus x square minus a square. If it is plus, then what will come here? Plus. I told you the previous class itself. Now, you don't forget, before I started this class, I just informed you how to use this. Consciously, some of the boys, they will miss this 1 by 4. They straight away substitute that values in the formula. They forgot to write 1 by 4. Be careful of writing this one. So, first you have to write 1 by 4, then formula log modulus x replaced by t plus, then you have to write as it is t square minus 1 square plus c. Then what is our t? We consider t is equal to what? X power 4. So 1 by 4 log modulus x power 4 plus square root of x power 8 minus 1 plus c. So when you replace this one, you can write as it is what is there in the denominator, you get same answer. Clear? So I am replacing t by x power 4. Already you have square. So x power 4 to the whole square will become how much? 4 2s are 8. So x power 8 minus 1 square. 1 square is always 1. Hence the answer. Clear? So be careful of writing 1 by 4. Some of the boys, they just write on the formula, they will not write 1 by 4. They thought that 1 by 4 it is there and the answer, but most of the boys are missing that number, the factor which is outside the integration by applying this formula. So be careful while you write, substitute the values in the formula, ensure whether you have any factor outside of the integrate. If you have any number outside of integration, please you have to write, then you have to apply the formula. Clear? So this is very important. Be careful. Otherwise, you may lose mark. Then we will go to sum number 12. From sum number 12 to 15, same model. Sum number 16 is different model. So sum number 12, 1 plus x square integration. Now you take the terms which are inside the bracket and write in standard form of quadratic format. I write. Then you check whether it is possible to apply partial fraction method. 1 is 1, but when you add these you will get 2, but what is given here? 1. So you cannot apply partial fraction method. Some questions you may have apt partial fraction method as well as formula method. In that case you can follow any one method. But here you see factorization is not possible, therefore partial fraction is not suitable for this model. Clear? Now then what is one more? If the partial fraction is not able to, even you cannot apply the partial fraction method, because it is not in the denominator, it is in the numerator. If it is in denominator, then you will go think over whether it is possible to apply the partial fraction or not. But it is inside the square root. So there is no question of thinking about the partial fractions when the denominator have the square root. It is in the numerator. So you must use only formula method. There is no other way. Clear? So for which you have to remember the completing the square method. That is very, very important. You must know what is meant by completing the square method that you studied in 10th standard. So x square plus x plus 1, what is meant by completing the square method? You have to divide always the coefficient of x by 2. Whatever the number, you divide the coefficient of x by 2. X square x, so don't write by 2. Now only how to divide. What is the coefficient of x here? 1. Is it possible to divide 1 by 2? Not possible. So you will be, the quotient will be 1 by 2. Square the quotient, add and subtract. Already what is there? Plus 1. So now this will be become a plus b the whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1. You simplify this alone by taking LCM or cross multiplication. Minus 1 plus 4 by 4, which will give you 3 by 4. So x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 by 4. Clear? Minus 1 by 4 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 4. 4 into 1, 4. Minus 1 plus 4, which will give you 3 by 4. Now I have square number. First term is the square number. So I have to write the second term also in terms of square. So you know the 3 consisting how many square root? 2. So you can write root 3 by 2 the whole square. This I explained already how to write 3 in terms of square root of 3. So now I got formula method x square plus a square. This is considered as x square. This is a square. So you have to check whether you have formula or not. That is, now I can rewrite this 1 plus the x square, bring it into this format. X plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 by 2 the whole square. Just you have to refer the formula which is suitable for this question. Let me see the page number 59 again. X square plus a square. X square plus a square inside the square root. See the question formula number 6. X square root of x square plus a square. It is big formula. You have to memorize x by 2 square root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. If there is a minus, then you have to change the sign. Clear? If there is a minus, then everything will be minus inside the bracket. So this is the formula for x square plus a square, formula number 6. Now I told you already, you have to write what is x plus 1 by 2. Then you have to pick it up what is a, that is root 3 by 2, because some of the boys will write a is equal to 3 by 4. So once you write the formula and below the formula you have to write what is x, what is a. This is a square. So don't write 3 by 4. So root 3 by 2 is a. Just you have to replace in the place of x and a in the formula. X is x plus 1 by 2 by 2 square root of x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. Just you substitute, then I will tell you how to write down the final answers. Log, again x is x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square plus c. So after that, from where you will get this answer? From this only we will get this answer, isn't it? So, you can replace these two terms by straight away the question. That's all, very simple. No need to expand and simplify. So, very simple. Yes, these two terms I got from x square plus x plus 1. So, you have to replace these two terms by what? X square plus x plus 1. So, you simplify 2x plus 1 by 4. Then square root of, that's all, very simple. What is for a? See, here I did not replace a. You have to replace a. What is a? Root 3 by 2 the whole square. When you square this one, what will be the answer? 3 by 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 by 8 log 2x plus 1 by 2. Then again I said this is taken from x square plus x plus 1. Clear? Because I got x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square from where? From the question. So, I can rewrite as it is the questions. Clear? So, this is your answer for the question number 11. What is the question number 12? Question number 12, x plus, yes, I simplified more, but in the book answer did not simplify it, they left as it is. So, no, nothing wrong. Now, the question number 13, 14, that you can straight away apply the formula, that is very simple concept. Now, we will go to the sum number 15. 13, 14, just you have to directly into the formula. So, no new concept, same concept, only thing is the formula will be differ, that is all, depends upon the problem. We have different formulas. Sum number 15, integration of square root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. Same concept, you cannot. What is that? Apply the technique, completing the square method, 2x plus 1 by 2. To apply the completing the square method, ensure that there won't be any number along with x square. If it is any number, you please take outside whether it is reduced by all the term or not. See, 2 will go first term and second term, but will not go in the last term. So, you have to write 1 by 2. Now, as usual, 2 of x square plus divide the coefficient of x always by 2. What is your quotient? 1. So, add and subtract. 2 of x square plus 2x. Don't divide these two. This 2 it is to make you to understand how to get quotient. That's all. Don't divide and write again x. That is wrong. Now, you are adding which one? 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 of this will become a plus b the whole square, that is 1 square. A plus b the whole square because we have plus symbol. Then plus of minus of will get minus 1 by 2. Simplify 1 by 2 minus 1, cross multiply 1 minus 2 by 2, which will give you minus 1 by 2. Now, 2, it's very important. This 2 you have to take always along with all the steps. X plus 1 the whole square minus this you have to write like 1 by square root of 2 the whole square. Clear? Now, this is in the form of x square minus a square. So, what is the formula for x square minus a square? Refer the formula, page number 59. And see to that it is inside the square root. So, be careful, square root of x square minus a square, formula number 5. Previous one formula number 6, but here we have minus sign, half minus 1, that is minus of 1 by root 2 the whole square, that is x square minus a square, Formula number, what is the formula number? 5. So take formula number 5 and substitute and simplify, you will get answer. Clear? So sum that is formula number 5. I write down only the formulas. That is x by 2 into x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of this is the formula, x by 2 square root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of modulus x plus square root of x square minus a square. What is your x? X is, I told you already, you have to write what is x. X plus 1, a is 1 by square root of 2. So just you have to replace in the place of x by x plus 1 by 2. So I told you already, this is nothing but what? X square minus a square. This will get from where? From the question. So you have to write as it is. And remember, I make one mistake. Which one I left? This 2 I left. So be careful. So you have to write 2 of, it is there 2, then you have to apply this formula. X is equal to x plus 1, a is equal to 1 by root 2. So I did not write the question, that is rewrite yourself the square root of, now this entire integrand will become square root of, what is that? 2 I take outside, that is root 2. When you take 2 outside, it will be inside the, everything is inside the square root. Here I take only the term which are inside what? The square root. So 2, this should be 2 is also inside square root. If when I am taking 2 outside, then what will be there? Root 2. Be careful. Square root of x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 by root 2 the whole square into dx. Clear? So after that you know what is x and what is a. Just you have to substitute root 2. Therefore it will become what? Square root 2. So square root of 2 inside the bracket, now x plus 1 by 2 square root, this will be become, you can write x plus 1 the whole square minus a is 1 by root 2 the whole square minus, what is your a square? 1 by 2, because when you square you will get 2, already we have 2. So log of modulus x plus 1 the whole square plus, I will write down these steps because we are going little longer, minus, I write down a is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 log modulus x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 by root 2 the whole square plus c. Then after that you can simplify. Be careful. This 2 is outside of the bracket, but this 2 is also inside the square root. That's what I got root 2. When you take 2 outside the integrand, if it is inside the square root, becomes root 2. Clear? If it is 4 means square root of 4 is 2, but what is given? 2 only we take outside, therefore you have to write root 2 into that formula. Then after that you can simplify, you will get answer. Now the last problem, sum number 16. Sum number 16, that is also very easy. Denominator we have the irrational part, that is, you know how to convert that, rationalizing the denominator. So you, based on the concept rationalizing the denominator, you have to proceed x plus square root of x square minus 1. Now you have to rationalize the denominator. Just you take denominator alone, then you can replace in the question after simplified this x minus square root of x square minus 1 by x minus square root of x square minus 1. So, once you go for rationalize the denominator is always the denominators in terms of a minus b into a plus b, which will be a square minus b square. When you go for rationalizing the denominator, your answer in the denominator is always in the form of a square minus b square. Ensure that. Then 1 into numerator should be always, then it becomes square, a square. Now the square and square root get cancelled. This will become minus a square minus b square. Now x minus square root of x square minus 1 by x square minus x square plus 1. These two get cancelled. So what will be the remainder? X minus square root of x square minus 1 by 1. So now you can rewrite dx. So this term, this is replaced by, I simplified this one, I got only x minus square root of x square minus 1 into dx. You take dx inside the bracket, x into dx, separate the integration, square root of x square 1 can be written as, so this will become x square by 2. What about this one? This is just like a square minus x square into dx formula. Square root of a square minus x square formula. Again refer the page number 59. Where will be the formula? A square x square minus, this is nothing but square root of x square minus a square formula. X square minus a square, where is the formula? Formula number 5. Formula 5. Use formula 5 in this place, you will get answer. Clear? So formula 5 is refers to this part. Just to refer the formula and substitute the values, you will get in the place of x you have to write x, in the place of a by how much? 1. Be careful. Do you have any factor outside the integration? You please check. No. Be ensure if you take any number outside of the integration, that should be there. So how do you proceed? We have one part of the square root. So to simplify this one, I am introducing that rationalizing the denominator. What is mean by rationalizing the denominator? Just you take conjugate of the denominator and multiply both numerator as well as the denominator. I got denominator always in the form of a square minus b square. Applying that identity, I got x square minus square root of x square minus 1 the whole square. Square and square root get cancelled. Therefore, I get x minus square root of x square minus 1, denominator x square and minus x square will get eliminated, will get only plus 1. Then this is normal procedure. Just you have to integrate x separately and you apply the formula for second term like x square minus a square, formula number 5, you will get answer. Boys, we will see the next exercise in the next class. Clear? Thank you, boys.